coders, welcome back. It's 2026. Yay! And also my favorite Blackpink member's birthday, if you guys know who Blackpink is. Yes, today is Jisoo's birthday and please don't hate her. She's perfect. And whatever, today's Jisoo's birthday, as you guys all know, like it's just coming on YouTube like anything. Well, let's celebrate her birthday by doing coding. And even if you don't like Jisoo, it's alright. I'm just saying. She's my favorite. And if you guys have a favorite Blackpink member, tell me in the comments below. You'll get a shout out. And if you did the first assignment of 2025, if you did, please tell me in the comments below, which I gave you in day 4 or 5, I think. It was int, and I gave you the best assignment that you guys must have done. So yeah, and it's officially 2026. I am so excited because this is the first video of this year, but actually second, because actually yesterday I made a live event on Facebook, and there I also explained the next topic, while loops, which we're gonna be doing today again for you guys' sake, so that you guys know and understand everything once more if you didn't join the event, because there was a few people there, but it was really good. It was on New Year's Eve at night, and I had so much fun talking to you guys. And yes, every week we will be doing live sessions. So guys, why are you missing out? Come on, just join our live events. Sometimes it's me and my mom, question answers. So many of you guys ask questions, we answer them. Sometimes it's just a topic discussion with my mom and dad. I mean with my mom, and my dad's at work. And then yeah, everything is, I would like to say one thing, that everything that I'm doing in 2026 from 2014, from the day that I was born, it's a miracle that God gave me the best mom and dad, because it counts on your mom and dad on what they allow you to do or what they push you to do. It was them who pushed me to start these things, and then it was my curiosity which my mom made, that girl, try this, try that, you'll like it. First, as every kid, I liked it, but I just left it when the fun stopped. But at the end, my mom told me that you have to do it. If you don't do it, how will you know it's fun? Or how will you know what this will do when you do it? So yeah, guys, 2026, and guys, a little secret I want to share. Please wish my mom a happy birthday. It's not today. It's on 7th of January. So if you guys are watching, wish her a happy birthday on 7th January. I hope I post a video over there. We might be going live, so keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Learn with Hala on YouTube and Hala Kabir Learns on Facebook, so that you're in touch with us live sessions and stuff like that. So enough talking. Let's get back to coding. Let's start this new year with a fun while loop, guys. So I just can't believe it. If you have any new bucket list for 2026, guys, just tell me the top 3 things you want to achieve, and I think there will be some that I can help you with. So yeah, let's dive in. Oh my god, officially I can just not believe it. We're in 2026. This year passed so quickly. Oh my god, okay. And yeah, if it's any of you guys' a birthday, whoa, yes, please tell me in the comments below. I will make a separate video wishing you a happy birthday. So if it's anybody's birthday tomorrow or the day after or in January, please tell me, and I will wish you a happy birthday. So happy birthday, and I will wish you again with your name. So look out for that, guys. And oh my god, let's start. Alright, I just can't stop talking about 2026. So guys, okay, you can also chat in the comments down below. I will be checking everything, and yeah. So I use this code that we have at the front right now for the live event. But now let's repeat this code again so that you guys understand. So basically, guys, while loop. So first of all, we know in English, loops mean something which is going on for infinity, so that loop doesn't break. It's like the electric current that we, oh my god, read in science. We learned in science that electric current, when the button is pressed, when the current switches off, that means it breaks. So the current has not, like, it has a gap between it, so the electricity cannot reach to the other end. Thus, cutting the loop as in Python. So we have two kind of loops, guys. We have for loop and then we have while loop. So first of all, today we're gonna be doing while loop. So while loop means an infinity loop, okay? For loop is there for a specific numbers. So a specific number of times you want the loop to work. That's how many times it will work. But that's for loop. But while loop just continuously goes around. So you'll be saying, okay, if we do that, but how will we make it work? And well, you can't stop the loop, guys. It's not like you can't stop the loop. You can, but you'll have to write another kind of code like this. You have to control it. For loop, of course, it doesn't go on and on and on. So you just write a number, add the for loop on which number you want it, how many numbers you want it to go, and then it will go into loop. But for while loop, you have to control it yourself. So yeah, enough of for loop. I don't want to ruin the surprise. That video will come out tomorrow, guys. So keep an eye on that. And let's start with while loop. Guys, don't get confused with this pity code, but it's a really big code. It will help you learn. So first, let's just ignore that code, guys. And let's go down. Let's ignore this baby. Let's go up. And let's start by understanding while loop. So basically now we know what while loop means. Infinity. But for loop means a counted number of times. So basically, okay, we know booleans, guys. True and false are two values which are used in boolean. No other values. And capital T, capital F. True, false. So basically, as you can see, VS Code is trying to help me out. I have no idea why, because I think I installed it again. That is why it's asking me, hey, you want some help? I can help you. And plus, these things keep on updating, so don't get worried, guys. And if you get any kind of error installing VS Code, or after you installed it, or any kind of code error, guys, it's alright. If you're free to come in the comments, panic and tell me, because I will be there for to help you. Plus, why not? You're all students. You're learning. Just like me, when I was learning, I would get so many errors and I would like, mind blown. Like, what is this, dude? I'm not making some kind of a complicated recipe, then what is going on? So guys, it's alright. I'm your cookbook, follow me. But if you want to make some stuff of your own, you'll need to know a little more than while and for loop. After 2 or 3 of the main functions, then you'll be able to make kind of bigger projects than this. Like, yeah. Alright, so let's go in. So first of all, we have to make the value true for it. Oh my god, what did I write? Alright. Okay, so what does this mean, guys? While loop. Hey, what there? Oh, it's just that. It's alright, guys. Leave it. No, I don't want to wait. Wait, VS Code. Okay, like, fine. Now, please, stop giving me the arrow. Alright. Okay, I have no idea what is going on, but yeah, okay. Oh, come on. Oh my god, okay. Just ignore that error, guys, because it's just coming from the underneath code. So here we have while true. So while is the name of our function again. So it's basically the thing that we are gonna be running. So one more thing, that whenever you name variables, guys, you cannot write the name of the variable as any of the functions. Like, you cannot name it true, you cannot name it false, you cannot name it while, you cannot name it boolean, int, any of the functions names you cannot add as a variable name, guys, because then Python will get so confused, like, what the hell did you just write? And Python will be like that, and you will be like, dude, I just wrote the variable's name, what's wrong with that? And he will be like, no, I don't understand, are you meaning int, or are you meaning the name of the variable int? So that's why, let's keep it simple for it. So while true, basically we're saying I like to read Python like English, so many of you book readers, shout out to you. I also love books, so now I understand how to read Python. So look, the sense is while true. Wait, what the hell? Oh no, what happened? Oh no. Hey, Oh, okay, okay. I thought it was a space, but it's not. All right. So basically, here we're saying while true. Basically, we're saying while the loop is true. Simple. While the loop is true, we got the colon because we wanna say while the loop is true, do this. So basically, while the loop is true, we can make it print. We can just make it print. Hi. There. Wait. Okay. Okay. Ignore that. So basically, now once we've defined this, guess what will happen? When we run it, it's gonna print this hello infinite times until you stop the code. Let me show you. So here we have our terminal. So actually I forgot how to run it. Like I forgot how to run it the easy way for you guys. So now I understand how to do it. Right here you see this button. You can click that. But when you're making apps and chatbots and complicated stuff, then you cannot use that because that my teacher told me that that will cause an error. And guess what? This curious mind checked that by making a whole app, ran it, and I was like, what the hell? Why is this whole humongous error coming? And then my teacher was like, I came to him and I was like, sir, what's this? Why did this happen? I ran it. And he was like, oh, you don't have any error in the code. Look, you ran it with that, and that's only meant for little codes. So, humongous codes, no, don't run it with that. But because we're using smaller baby codes, we can use that. So you just click on run Python file, and it's gonna print hello infinite times, guys. Let me show you. What the hell is this? Oh my god, I can't even see. Okay, guys, watch. Hello. Look, it's not stopping. Holy sheesh. Oh my god, look. Guys, it's it's gonna fill my terminal. See guys, it's not stopping. Oh no, it's okay. Just delete it with this button. You want? No. Where's the delete button? Okay, yeah. Just hover over here and click delete. There. So that's how you do while loop. And now trying to control this baby. It's just going out of hand. You wanna control it with some Harry Potter magic. Alright, let's start. So yeah guys. Here we are gonna be adding a condition. So basically, guys, your mom has rules in the house. She's like, girls and boys, when you do this, you're not allowed to do that. You cannot use the football inside the house, Jake. You cannot use the painting machine or whatever inside the house or whatever. They're rules and they're conditions. So you follow them, you live. If you don't follow them, you get smacked. And you do not want to get smacked. And you don't want to get smacked by an error in Python. Definitely not. Or your mind will blow along. So let's not let that happen. So we have to set a rule. So basically, when we control the while loop, we need some kind of a condition to control it as a rule. So let's do this. So this code comes in handy here. So first of all, we name a variable count. Count is equal to 1. So this will be our variable. So this many times it should print. Every time while loop runs, one time it should be printed. Okay? Oh my god, okay. And then, now it says while count is smaller than 6. Now it says while the count number is smaller than 6. So count is 1 and it is smaller than 6. But we're not talking about that. I knew you guys would say, oh, count is smaller than 6, it's 1. Dude, we're not even talking about that. We're talking about the underneath function. You might be saying, you just, in the variable session, you told us that if the thing is first, it will run first. Yes, it will. But this doesn't count as that count that says 1. It counts as this count. So basically, it says this is the count number that how many times it should print. This. Welcome to HFC. And then, oh my god, okay, then it says while count is smaller than 6. So basically, one time this will print and it will keep printing. So basically count 1, it printed one time, and then we plus count with 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, plus 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 plus. And be sure to add a is equal sign, because it says count plus that so basically, oh my god, what's happening? Yeah, so count number 1, or you can say the count number below 6. So basically count is smaller than 6, so it is when it's smaller than 6, that count will go, that count plus is equal 1. I'm sorry guys if you're so confused. 1 second. So basically, no, count is equal 1, print it one time. While the count is smaller than 6, print this as many times. So basically this means keep plussing it by 1. So keep adding 1 by 1 by 1 until it reaches this. So until it's till 6, so basically it should print 5 times, because after that comes 6. So it can't print 6 times. So that's how you control it. Let me show you guys. So this is how I will read it for you guys to understand. Print welcome to HFC. Oh my god, wait. Print welcome to HFC one time until the count number is below 6. Don't go over 6. This means add. So basically, print welcome to HFC one time. Every time you add it, it should stay below 6 and stop the code. Let's see. Look, it should stay 5, so it will only run it 5 times. It's quite slow, guys. Just 1 second. Come on. What the? Oh. Okay, now I understand. Wait. It's not this code's problem. It's this one. It can't recognize this. So let me just remove this. There. Now let's run our code. Oh no. We did not save our file. Save and run. What the hell? Oh, right. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It did not go to 6. 6, 7. Guys, was I just the one to say 6, 7 in 2026 for the first time? Okay. That was kind of neat. But yeah, I said 6, 7. Yay. Alright. We have 5 times welcome to HFC printed. Why? Because as I told you guys, it should stay below 6. If you don't understand, guys, just try to understand it a bit. Look. So let me read it again. Print welcome to HFC one time. Keep adding. Okay. One more time. Look. Print welcome to HFC one time. Every time you plus it until it comes to 5, meaning below 6. That's what this means, guys. So you guys have to practice this code at least 3 times and understand it, what it's doing. And you can change this value and you can change this value to see what happens. Because I'm not going to show you the magic behind that. So change it, check it out, have fun. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys had a very good day today. And you had a best 2025. And I'm really sorry for any of you who had any loss in 2025. But those are the past memories. Let's leave those behind or keep them in our heart. And let's just fix everything and stay happy, stay brave, stay strong, be athlete every time in your heart. Not just meaning you have to go races, you have to do workouts. No. Be a strong-hearted person. Be kind and help everybody out. And do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of our live conversations, guys. And see you tomorrow or any other day. This was lecture 8. I hope you guys had fun. So yeah, this is me, Hala, the youngest AI and blockchain app and chatbot developer, wishing you a new year. So happy new year, guys. Bye.